I like walking around and talking, you know. I'm just so excited to see the rotunda filled with folks excited to help us truly execute a brand new, bold vision for what I'm calling not just Cleveland's North Coast, but America's North Coast right here in Cleveland, Ohio. You know, for a long time, our lakefront has been a dividing line in our city. East side, west side, black, white. And I truly believe that as we write this next chapter in Cleveland's story for our lakefront, we have an historic opportunity to finally get it right. But it starts with each and every one of you, because if this process is not rooted in your voice, your ideas, your concerns, and your vision, it won't work. It won't work. And so we're kicking off this first town hall right here in the People's House, City Hall. We'll be going all across the city over the next couple of weeks to make sure we get as much input as we can. But we've already been building a strong foundation to execute our vision for the lakefront. First, we have engaged many different partners across the entire span of city government, from city planning to building and housing to economic and community development. The entire enterprise of City Hall is focused on this effort. Secondly, we've engaged a wide array of community organizations and key stakeholders to be a part of this important process as well too. And the third thing that's unique is that for the first time in a long time, we have leaders in DC and money in DC to take advantage of to make sure we can execute our big, bold vision for America's North Coast. But it starts with conversations like this one this evening. So again, on behalf of the great city of Cleveland, Ohio, I want to thank you for coming. Thank you for taking precious time out of your day to give your ideas and feedback. And I'm looking forward to the long, long road ahead. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.